Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a super easy recipe that I enjoyed a lot. This is great for a party snack, but you can also make it into a meal or like a little what do you call that? Like whatever you eat before a meal. You want to cut down some onion into smaller pieces first. And then in the pan you want to heat up and melt some butter, and then you want to throw the onions in there and let them sit for a minute or two. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and cut down your mushrooms into smaller bits. When your onions have browned a little bit, you want to throw the mushrooms in there as well. Add a little bit of salt and then just let that sit on medium to high heat until all the moisture is gone and your mushrooms have the right texture that you prefer. Then you want to add in some garlic, give that a good mix, and you're done with that. Next up, you want to take your puff paste and you want to spread some sour cream or some cream cheese on top in a quite thin layer. You want to make sure you cover the whole thing evenly. Then you want to add a little bit of salt. I used a little bit too much, so be careful with that. Then some pepper and some nutmeg, just sprinkled all over. Then you want to add your mushroom mixture and you want to spread it out evenly over the whole puff paste. And then you can go ahead and roll it up. Now, if you want to do it as a little party snack, you can roll it up from the other side, but I decided to do fewer but bigger rolls, so I decided to do it that way. Then I cut it down into 6 pieces. And you want to put them on a baking sheet with some baking paper and bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. If you make smaller rolls, then reduce the baking time. And that's what they looked like in the end. They were super delicious and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope it inspired you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!